the Terra Classic price crawled back on Tuesday, November 5th, reaching an intraday high of $0.000086. This LUNC recovery happened after Terra announced that it had permanently closed the Shuttle bridge and burned the remaining tokens. In an X post, Terra announced that it had permanently closed the Shuttle bridge interface. This closure led to the burning of the remaining LUNC and USTC tokens in the bridge. A token burn happens when tokens are moved to a discrete address that cannot be accessed. The closure happened a few months after the developers opened the bridge to facilitate the redemption of the existing wrapped tokens. Precisely, the bridge helped users to send their LUNC and USTC bridge to Ethereum BNB chain and Harmony back to Terra Classic. The opening of the Shuttle bridge was part of the Terraform's Chapter 11 bankruptcy proceedings, a few years after its collapse. As part of the settlement with the Securities and Exchange Commission, Terraform Labs had to burn the remaining tokens. The LUNC price formed a double-top pattern around $0.00025 earlier this year, which explains why it has dropped by 65% from its highest level in March. The neckline of this pattern was at $0.000087, where it was trading on November 5th. Terra Luna Classic price has remained below the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. Most importantly, it has remained below the 50-day weighted moving average indicator and the Ichimoku cloud. The LUNC token has formed two bearish chart patterns. It has created a rising wedge, which is made up of converging higher lows and higher highs. In most periods, this pattern leads to a breakdown, especially when the two lines are nearing their confluence. Terra Luna Classic has formed a bearish pennant chart pattern consisting of a long vertical line and a triangle-like pattern. Therefore, the combination of a double-top pattern, rising wedge, and bearish pennant means that the token will have a bearish breakdown in the near term. If this happens, the next reference level to watch will be $0.000054, its August lows and 38% below the current level. On the flip side, a move above the crucial resistance level at $0.00011, its highest swing in September, will invalidate the bearish view. If this happens, it will rise to the next key resistance level at $0.00013, its highest level in May. Terra is a cryptocurrency that automatically tracks the price of other assets or currencies. It is an open-source blockchain payment platform. Users may instantaneously spend, save, trade, or exchange Terra stablecoins thanks to the Terra blockchain. Stablecoins, or digital currencies backed by governments like the US dollar or the euro, are produced via the Terra protocol and are intended to continuously track the value of a fiat currency. It is made up of the cryptocurrency coins Terra and Luna. Terra stablecoins are named after fiat currencies and track their value. For example, the base Terra stablecoin, Terra SDR or SDT, mirrors the price of special drawing rights SDR, issued by the International Monetary Fund. The South Korean won is tracked by Terra KRW, KRT, and the US dollar is tracked by Terra USD, UST, two other stablecoin denominations. Burning Luna allows users to mint new Terra. On the other hand, mining and government are done on Luna. The staking token for the Terra system, Luna, is designed to mitigate the price volatility of Terra stablecoins. Blockchain miners, sometimes referred to as validators, on Terra are rewarded with transaction fees for recording and validating transactions on the blockchain, for which users stake Luna. Luna's value rises in tandem with Terra's increased use. Principal characteristics of Terra. In the rapidly expanding Asian e-commerce market, Terra seeks to increase value for consumers and efficiency for payment service providers. Terra takes on established retail payment apps with the use of Cosmos blockchain technology. Terra circumvents the current disjointed payment infrastructure because it is a comprehensive end-to-end payment solution. Payment service companies might save hundreds of millions of dollars a year by utilizing Terra's technology. In order to oversee the collateralization procedures that support and preserve the price stability of Terra's stablecoins, the crypto network uses its own currency, the Luna, as a utility and governance token. Cons and benefits of Terra. Pros. Software developers can build their own protocols and decentralized applications. dApps. On top of Terra using the blockchain-neutral development platform that is part of the Terra ecosystem. Numerous stablecoins connected to currencies are supported by the Terra protocol. Terra Luna tokens assist stabilize its stablecoin. It facilitates exchange between Luna and stablecoins to raise or decrease supply. Terra unveiled Anchor, a mechanism for loans and savings. Users can deposit money and receive interest on stablecoins with this protocol. Cons: Ethereum and other significant cryptocurrency projects are still ahead of Terra. Since its developers are Korean, most Bitcoin transactions pertaining to Terra start there. It's too soon to know if other markets will adopt Terra-related currencies. Compared to Ethereum, Terra is less decentralized. Some purists of blockchain might be put off by this. To be more specific, Terra is a payment system that runs on a blockchain. It was created by Terraform Labs, a South Korean company that Daniel Shin and Do Kwon formed in 2018. Former Apple and Microsoft employee Do Kwon started a company called Anify that provided decentralized wireless mesh networking technologies. In addition to being a co-founder of the Korean e-commerce company Tmon, better known as Ticket Monster, Shin is the founder and CEO of the Asian payment technology company Chai, a partner of Terra. In its goal to become a top e-commerce stablecoin payment and decentralized finance, DeFi service provider, Terra has a growing ecosystem in the crypto sector with 114 projects across DeFi, Web 3.0, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Several of these initiatives consist of a fixed-yield platform with frictionless access and borrowing yields is called Anchor Protocol. Chai, over 2 million South Koreans use this payments app. Low Terra. Terra is a blockchain-based decentralized lottery platform that synthetics or fungible assets that mimic actual asset prices can be created thanks to the Mirror Protocol. Talus Protocol, an online marketplace where artists can give services and sell their works. Vega Protocol, a derivatives trading and minting platform. The Terra Protocol makes an effort to keep the price of the Terra stablecoin stable by making sure that supply and demand are always equal through the use of arbitrage. This is because the main benefit of stablecoins is derived from the stability of the price peg, theoretically avoiding the volatility typical of cryptocurrencies. Luna absorbs the volatility of the Terra stablecoin and acts as a variable counterweight to it. Imagine the entire Terra economy to be made up of two pools, a Terra pool and a Luna pool, that are used to change the pricing by offering incentives to network users in order to comprehend how Terra operates. The developers are still putting in a lot of work behind the project to make sure everything stays stable despite the crash that occurred a year ago. A few weeks ago, an article appeared on CoinGape stating that the creators of Terra Luna Classic have filed a significant proposal to enhance and introduce derivatives for liquid staking. Developers want to add support for Quicksilver, an interchain liquid staking protocol for the Cosmos ecosystem, by changing the permitted interchain account host messages, according to the proposal. As a result, the Quicksilver chain can send authorized messages and create, manage, and delete accounts on the Terra Luna Classic chain transparently. It will also allow interchain staking on any validators, as well as enhance liquidity and capital efficiency by boosting network security and decentralization. Additionally, it does away with the necessity that a position holder wait for an unbonding period before selling his staked assets. Given this, you ought to be aware that the Terra Luna creators are continuously striving to improve the project. This is to let you know that there is still hope for Terra Luna. I think all will work out in due course. Additionally, I think Terra Luna's investment can make you wealthy. However, everything relies on your investment amount in Terra Luna Classic, your expectations for the market, and the length of time you are willing to hold. The native token of Terra Luna is called LUNC. The video will now come to an end. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and invest sensibly. Regards.